Kung mapatunayan na peke yung birth certificate ni Mayor and kung mapatunayan na she is not in fact a Filipino citizen, ano po yung magiging pananagutan niya?
Kung sakali po, Madam Chair, na magpapile muli ng Certificate of Candidacy at a formal petition will be filed, remember po, katulad na nabanggit ko, ito po hindi ground for disqualification, ground po ito ng cancellation of candidacy. Ang basis po ng cancellation ng candidacy ay misrepresentation. And misrepresentation is an election offense punishable by 3 to 6 years imprisonment. And at the same time, since ang certificate of candidacy po ay under oath, it can still be, the person can likewise be liable for perjury, Madam Chair. And kung masakali ma-convict, perpetual disqualification to hold public office.
And huling tanong mula sa akin at this point, Chair, kung siya po ay matanggal sa pwesto, just for the sake of our listening and viewing public, sino po yung aakyat? Yung natalo po ba na kandidato o yung kanyang vice mayor?
Kung sakali po, Madam Chair, na nakapag-file ang isang registered voter bago mag-eleksyon during the period na binabanggit ko ng cancellation of candidacy, kahit po yung kandidato ay nanalo, that COMELEC retains jurisdiction, and if later on, kahit siya ay public official na elective at we found out na talagang nagsinungaling o nagkaroon ng misrepresentation, canceled ang candidacy, naging final ang kanyang ang cancellation ng candidacy, ang uupo po ay ang second placer. Because according to the Supreme Court, as if hindi siya naging kandidato, yan po yung kaso doon sa Lucy Torres case. Ngayon po, Madam Chair, kung hindi po walang na-file, katulad po sa kasalukuyang pangyayari, walang na-file na kaso sa COMELEC, na cancellation of candidacy. Subalit, kung later on magkaroon ng isang kaso, halimbawa petition for co-warranto na pwedeng ma-file ng opisina ng Solicitor General, then in that case, at magkaroon po, matanggal, the rule on succession shall be applicable. Vice Mayor po yung uupo kung sakali po.
Maraming salamat, Chair. So, depende sa gagamiting proseso yung magiging outcome para sa bayan ng Bamban kung sakali. Those are all the Chair's questions for the good COMELEC Chair. Unless may tanong yung mga colleagues ko, then we will excuse the good Chair. Yeah, Sen. Sherwin.
Chair, no, wala.
Wala po.